All right, look, this is as real as it's gonna get for all of anybody that wants to pay attention to this. It's gonna be short, it's gonna be sweet, but it's gonna be the most powerful trading video you've ever seen in your life, and I promise that, right? Your gurus aren't gonna tell you this. The books aren't gonna tell you this. The brokers aren't gonna tell you this. Nobody's gonna tell you what I'm about to tell you. And it's gonna make trading so much easier for you. All right. So we know strategies are gimmicks brought on by gurus who charge you to learn their new strategy and put up new strategies on YouTube to get views and and money from ad revenue. And brokers put out strategies so that they can collect more commissions if you trade more. Why do you think moving average convergences and blah 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 gets you in the market over and over and over and over again, but you're not making any money, right? Well, it's not that hard. It's actually pretty simple, and I'm gonna show you right now. Go to your favorite time frame for. I wouldn't say your favorite highest time frame for finding trends and stuff. Good. I like the 9 minute candles. Okay, that's what I like. I like 9 minute candles. They're in the middle of what's going on, and let's find like I don't know like a U.S. session open or whatever here. Here's this one today. Yeah. Okay. So Friday, right? So U.S. session open. Let's find 9:30 ish is right here. 9:27. So we'll just say 9 o'clock. Boom. Okay. We're looking at 9 o'clock. Whatever you want to do. Do you know what an indecisive candle is? This. The settings are set to do. Keep right. This, is an indecisive candle. Okay. This guy right here. This is an indecisive candle. What do I mean by indecisive? The market doesn't know what it wants to do, right? It's wanting to go up, it's wanting to go down. Guess what is it's consolidating. It's the powers to be are buying and selling and building positions and getting you to buy so they can sell and you to sell so they can buy and yada yada yada. Supply and demand. Positions are being built. This isn't a strategy. I want you to get that out of your mind. Strategy. Just no, we're learning why price moves right now. This isn't a strategy. This is trading. This is why price is moving around. And if you don't understand that, you can't just follow a strategy and hope for a 50 or 60% win rate with a risk to reward ratio that covers your losses. No, that's bullshit. You see this candle? This is at market open right here. This is an indecisive candle. Just draw a zone around it. Okay? Draw a zone around it. Go to whatever time frame you like to enter trades on. I like for futures, I like entering trades on the 15-second chart because it gives me some really good tight entries. Now that I've shown you that, and I put the zone around the indecisive candle, what do you see? You see a break of a range going bearish all the way down to what? To some point down here, right? Well, here's a little secret. If you go in my Discord, which just isn't a thing to get you to pay for some subscription, these are just me and my friends. I took this trade all the way down to here, all the way down to here, from here to here, because this is what I did. I drew a box around an indecisive candle Waited for the range to break. No, I have some tools that help me decide if I really want to do that. And here's one here. Okay. Uh, um, I have a moving average of all of the Fibonacci numbers, right? There's that. I have the opening range, but that didn't help me do this. And guess where my take profit was? Wherever I got in, I think it was around here somewhere. Right there. A pivot point. Imagine, like, in my stop loss, that's where it was. So around 11 to risk reward this morning. I'm not bragging. I'm trying to help you. I'm telling you to stop with all the videos and all the bull crap. And I'm going to show you this right here. I'm going to show you some more examples with nothing turned on. No drawing. Here we go. I'm going to do it on a 15-second chart. We're going to look for, right? We're going to look for some consolidation. That crap that gets you to enter into all the bad trades, right? We're looking for an indecisive candle in our consolidation. Oh my God, look at this right here. Let's ignore everything left and right. We're just looking in this little spot right here. Look at this indecisive candle right here in this consolidation period. And look at this guy right there. Short it to your heart's content, whatever you want to do. All right. Still don't believe me, huh? Do it again. Here's our new consolidation. And think about this. I really want you to think about this. After every impulse, what does the market do? It goes into a period of accumulation or consolidation all over again. So wait for the breaks. Wait for the breaks of those periods. And where's one in here? Oh, here's a bunch of them right here. Holy crap. Look at that. That is like saying, yo, I'm going down. Hell, just stick it on all of them. Here's you a zone. Your first set of consolidation. You had one right here. Here's your zone. See this wick? You think that's a coincidence? Come on, man, I didn't memorize all these candle patterns. I'm drawing this stuff as I see it. Like, pay attention. Look at this. Can you please tell? You think this is a coincidence? Do you think that this wicked this zone right here that I drew off this doji candle, whatever you want to call it, indecisive candle, is a coincidence? Do you think that this anchored VWAP right here is a coincidence? Look at this. Look at these wicks on this anchored VWAP. Look at the drops. Look at how price moves around it. Stop with all of the crazy everything and just look at the chart. Pay attention to what's going on. Indecisive right here. Look at this right here. It's this one right there. Look at that. Like you could have made $1 million today. Just doing this. Right? Okay. And then we flip. Right? And we're okay. Oh, look at here's one right here. Immediately into the consolidation, we found one. You think that this wick and this wick on this doji is a coincidence? Here you go. Here's one right here. Providing support and resistance the rest of the frickin' day. I mean, you want to find your scalping ranges. There you go. Bet you've come down here find you a nice indecisive candle somewhere. There's one. I bet you it'll match everything else out. Boom. I mean, once you had these drawn out, you think you could have made some money scalping this zone here? Every consolidation period has an indecisive candle for you to trade off of. There you go. I don't. I. This is. This should be mind blowing for you. This should make your life so much easier on how to trade. Um, if you want to know how I just set up my chart for all that stuff, and if you don't believe in pivot points, here you go. These pivot points were drawn here at the beginning of the session, and look at what price did on the pivot points. Like, I mean, they're. I mean, like we're talking straight flat bottom candles, wicked candles. like pivot points, and anchored VWAPs. Now, let me like what you're probably wondering is that anchored VWAP. Okay, here you go. Watch. This is how I find tops and bottoms. I've made videos about this. All right. You want to know if price is going to push up over this right here? Draw an anchored VWAP there, and then find your indecisive candle or a order block or something, and draw that there. Price never busted over that and kept going. The VWAP would have kept going with it if it was going to do that. Okay. And just so the skeptics out there, the VWAP's there when price gets there. This isn't lagging like a moving indicator. See how the anchored VWAP acts? It's just like a VWAP. And then to find to catch good entries on reversals after whatever. So I will sit here and I will do this. I will put an anchored a WAP on the every time there's a V looking thing. See, I think I call this a V. This is a V. It looks like a freaking V to me, right? So I'm gonna put an anchored VWAP on it every single time, and I'm gonna scalp. Or if I can get into the run, I'll try to get into the run. I'm gonna take these every single time when I'm in a when we're bearish. Every single time. I'm gonna try and take, and then I'm only gonna do it once though off each one. Like don't be a fool about this. All right, so this one's gonna get you at a break even because I'm always going break even. You'll hear me complain about it. I got busted break even, but it's okay. I try not to lose any money, and the times I don't, this happens. Okay, people, I'm serious. That's what I do. Interview ops are my friend. And then these candles are being colored by the standardized MACD Heiken Nashi transformed by Eli Cobra. It's my favorite indicator there is. And I have it midline and MACD. Bar coloring is midline. So if it's bullish on the MACD, candles are blue. If it's bearish, they're red. Then I have a higher time frame chart sitting on another monitor. That's just same thing. It's my 9-minute chart, right? And like I said, I took that trade this morning, the drop based off that candle. Here you go. We'll talk about the day before. Where's an indecisive candle during? Oh, look at this right here. Oh, look at that. Look at this candle right here. Okay, and we'll go to our entry. Where is that at? Was that Thursday or Friday? Must have been Friday. Friday. There you go. You don't think you could have caught that? Hmm? I think you could. All you did was draw a damn box around a candle on a 9-minute chart or whatever chart you want to use. I think you could do it. I think you could start doing this on tomorrow. I think you could start doing this right now. I think you could start back testing this right now. I think that I think you're gonna figure this out. I think you got it figured out.